ain't the biggest one, but it's upgrade from the last one. I'll open that live one if you don't mind.
I'm glad you didn't throw it.
I had a feeling there's gonna be one more on it tonight. And to be honest with you, I feel there's gonna be one more down here. See
You said it's gonna be another one on the bank. It was.
You were doubting me, weren't you?
No.
I have a feeling that you were. He barely pecked. He didn't even blow up on it. I thought he barely pecked it. Like literally, I thought he missed it, and then I'm looking at my spook, standing straight up and down under the water, and I saw his head shake. And I'm like, damn, he has it in his mouth. Like he didn't make a disturbance on the water or nothing. He did. This was actually the farthest I've been back here, to be honest with you. Last year, me and Papa come here during the summer.
Who?
Me and Papa. And he I think we had to stop right there at that log. And I know we didn't go this far back because we were hitting bottom.
The water must be up.
I can't hear you.
The water must be up.
That's what I'm thinking.
You hear me?
Ma'am?
The water must have been up.
Well, water, according to Barbara, it's at its normal stage right now.
But y'all were hitting bottom last time?
Yeah. But we were fishing right in the middle of the heat of the summer, and I don't know how long it has since we had rain. And I know we didn't make it this far back. But we're still sitting at like the bottom of the trolling motor. Look at there.
Another one? Damn.
That first fish I hooked this morning, I really don't think that was yeah. I don't think that was bad. Oh, that was brown. Yo, it is brown or barfish. Small little fucker, which let's try to get 5 in the boat, and then we'll start culling them out. You want to open up the live well, baby? Look at that hole in the bottom of his mouth. He just got off the bed. See how his fins are real frayed at the ends, kind of bloody. He just got off the bed. Oh my God, Nick, now, Nick, please, get it. Come on, Cam. Holy shit, holy shit. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. God almighty.
Take a picture of you and that. Holy.
Oh my God. Yes. Oh. Oh my God.